you're going to go to the outline like this, and you're going to select this little tool right here. It's called the contiguous selection tool. And then you're going to go into here and you're going to select this. You're going to select the insides. Do not click in these little boxes, just the insides of the letters, like so. Okay, once you have done that, you're going to go to this little box right here. You're going to click it. You're going to see there's a new paint tab that got opened. Now you're going to hit Control click, so you have both of them selected, and then you're going to hit Control G. That groups them. Now in this little thing right here, you're going to select a brush. There's a lot of brushes, but for ease, you're going to go to Digital, and you're going to select this brush right here. Now, when you have this selected, it's going to be set to, this is the size, this is how you customize how big the brush is. You're going to select a solid color. Now you do this by right-clicking, you get this color palette that opens up. You're just going to go through this, like so. You get to select whatever color you want, it doesn't matter, and you're going to put a base color down. And make sure to kind of go over it a couple times, because it might not fully fill it in on just the first one, so go over it a couple times. Just easy. Boom, now you have a solid color, put kind of as like a foundation. You're just going to select this color, and you're going to group this by itself. So just click it and hit Control G. Once you do that, you can make two new layers. And what you can do now, you hit this little button right here. You're going to hit that on both of those. This wraps it around this layer right here, so that it only appears within this layer. So like if I do it, it won't show up on like just filling in the whole box. It will just show up on the color. Now I can do this. I can give it a new layer. You can kind of do it either way. It doesn't really matter, but you can give it a new layer. And then you're going to go over to here on the right side, or on the left side. You're going to hit this button. This gives you like a, I don't know, like a, it's like a granite. I think it's called granite. Draw a gradient. Go to a new layer, and then you can just pull this across, and it shows this. It's like slowly fades over. So I can like can mess with this quite a bit. Like this. Just mess around with it as much as you want. Boom. That's how you have little things like this. If you want this one, let me know too.